English Standard 9th. We learned some part of the lesson. I give you passage on that part. The necklace, second part, second passage. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. Who said this to whom? I might have needed it. Who said to whom? Second sentence. Don't sell it for 3 days. Who said to whom? Now see the following statements are true or false. There are 4 statements. First is, Madama Foster was rather angry with Mathilde for returning the necklace late. A string of diamonds they found at Palace Royal worth 36,000 francs. Third, the new necklace cost them 34,000 francs. And fourth, Mr. Loisel borrowed money from every type of money lender. There are 4 sentences, right, true or false. Now passage 2, text page number 28 and 29. In a shop at the Palace Royal, they found that I might have needed it. Now A2, complex factual activity. Complete the way. How Mr. Loisel collected money for the necklace. There are 4 points. We have completed. Now A3, vocabulary based activities. Find and write all the numbers mentioned in the passage. 40,000, 36,000, 34,000, 18,000. Now write from the passage the words related to money matters. Find out the words from the passage. Now A4, grammar language study based activity. Spot the circle and error in the following sentence, then rewrite the sentence after correcting them. First sentence, you should have returned it sooner. Second sentence, he would borrow the rest. Now correct the sentence. Second point, do as directed. It was worth 40,000 francs. Use they in place of it and rewrite the correct sentence. Now second sentence, he went to get the new necklace. Rewrite the sentence using simple present tense for the underlined word. Underline went. And last question, personal response, open-ended question. First question is that, do you think the arrangement made by Mr. Loisel with the jeweler was fair? Give your result. Second question, why does Madame Foster speak coldly to Mathilde? So rewrite the passage, solve the passage in your notebook and complete